Okay, I'll allow that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let the record reflect this is the defendant, Rolando Rodriguez, no relation to his counsel.
Judge Tatula, I'm writing to you today with the utmost sincerity and humility regarding my upcoming sentence. I stand before you aware of the gravity in my actions in the upcoming sentence, and I stand before you aware of the gravity in the actions and the consequences that I have brought upon myself. To the defendant, Richard, to his friends, family, his co-workers, I'd like to apologize. I wish we would have met under different circumstances. And I do apologize to all of you who showed up. First and foremost, I'd like to express my deepest respect for the court, the commitment for upholding this justice. I want to express my deep respect for everybody that has showed up today. I understand you have a reputation of maintaining a strict sentencing policy, and I approach you with the full knowledge and the severity of my situation.
Just a moment. Did you say that I have to care about my reputation
No.
as a strict sentencer? Is that what you just said?
No, I may have.
Because I don't care at all about my reputation. I do what the law requires me to do.
Exactly, and I was trying to I want you guys to know that this is going to be judged on fairness, not on anything else.
Standpoint.
Your Honor, I want to emphasize my involvement in the events leading to this case was a result of lapse in judgment rather than a reflection of my character. I have always strived to live a life of integrity, responsibility, and it pains me deeply to find myself in this position. I want to assure you that I have taken full responsibility for my actions, been honest and forthcoming through the legal process. I have cooperated fully with the law enforcement, and I have not attempted to evade accountability for my actions. Your Honor, I plead you mercy and understanding as you consider my case. I cannot undo the past. I'm committed to making amends and rebuilding my life in a positive direction. I have taken positive, proactive steps to address the underlying issues that contributed to my actions, seeking counseling, guidance, and trying to become a better version of myself. I want to emphasize that I'm not a threat to society, nor do I have any intentions of causing harm to anyone or property. I am deeply remorseful for the pain and inconvenience that I have caused, and I'm committed to making the best to make it up to my ability. Your Honor, I humbly ask you for fairness in this sentence, not out of desire to avoid punishment. I'm determined to learn from this experience and emerge as a better person, more responsible member of society. I want to thank you for considering my plea, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to address the court and to express my remorse deeply, especially to everybody who's here in this court. Whatever decision you reach, I'll accept it with humility and respect for the legal process. Sincerely, to the court and to the family and everybody affected.